Hello everyone, my name is Midif. I will show you how to create an Apple account with your real information. Go to settings and here we have Apple account. Click don't have an Apple account. Select your real age like I am 18 or older and here enter your real information, your real name, last name and exact date of birth. These information are very important when you need to rest your password. For this video, I will enter my real information. My name is Midif and second name and your exact date of birth. I will select my real details and select the exact day. Click continue. Here you will enter the email address you'd like to use for Apple account. If you don't have another email like Gmail or Hotmail or Yahoo or any other, just click don't have an email address, get an iCloud email address and write a combined name like my real name Midif. I will write IT26 like this. Click continue. If it's not available, just write another name, your real name. Click create email address and in this step write a strong password twice that doesn't include your name in the password. And in this step you have to enter your real phone number and select verify using text message or phone call. Click continue and a code will be sent to your phone as SMS to your SIM card. Enter it here as it shows in the notifications. I have the code here. Just enter this code in this input and if you don't have your phone number with you, you can click this didn't receive code and verify later that you can verify your phone later. Just click continue and it will continue without your phone number. Click agree to the terms and condition of Apple company and it is signing in. Click other option, continue and merge. And if this step shows for you that means you earlier had another Apple ID, just click confirm and merge and it takes some time like a minute or two and it may require your phone passcode. Just enter it and it will automatically continue. And after that process, the Apple ID is created successfully. Now you have some settings to change when first creating the Apple account. First of all, I always, this is optional, you can do it or you can skip it. I always turn off the iCloud photos. I always turn this off because I don't want my photos to go sync with Apple account because it gets full very fast. It's only 5 gigabytes, so I don't need those 5 gigabytes. I always turn it off and iCloud Drive, I also turn this also off. iCloud Backup, I turn it off all the times. After the process of turning off iCloud Backup is done, just close the setting, reopen it and check the Apple IDs working correctly that your phones are showing. Click this verify your phone number and ensure that you have verified your phone number. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and ask anything you'd like to know in the comments.